Rivers are the one who can face the reality. Transformation takes time. The dream of 1857 was fulfilled in 1947. I support each and every Indian who aspires for the betterment of this nation. Wishing you all a very happy and pleasant good morning. Today is 26th of January, our Republic Day. A day filled with patriotism, great affection and respect towards our motherland, India. These feelings awakens in every Indian's mind. Firstly, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. तारीफें तेरी फैली हुई है हर जगह आसमान में, औकात क्या है मेरी जो लिखूं तेरे सम्मान में। और जहाँ की मिट्टी को चूमा जाता हो, भी चूमा जाता हो, हाँ छाती ठोक कर कहती हूँ, रहती हूँ मैं हिंदुस्तान में, रहती हूँ मैं हिंदुस्तान में। 7 decades ago, on 26th of January, our constitution got implemented. But even before that, this day had a great significance. Having resolved to Purna Swaraj, our peoples had been celebrating Purna Swaraj Divas since 1930 to 1947. Republic. Actually, what's the meaning of this word republic? Republic has been derived from a Latin word which means republica and which is related to the peoples. Republic is something which is connected to the peoples. It is a system in which the country belongs to the people and the government belongs to the people. And the democracy is the greatest means for restoring this type of system. And Lincoln sir has explained this system in a very simple term as democracy means for the people, by the people and of the people. And I'm proud to share with you all that India is the largest democratic country. But by only saying this, can a country be republic? No, of course not. It needs a constitution which is being made by the elected members of the representatives. The Constitution of India was passed on 26th of November 1949, but it was not implemented. And on a historic day, that is 26th of January 1950, our constitution got implemented. India, blessed with so many great personalities like Swami Vivekananda, Subhash Chandra Bose, Indira Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, the Queen of Jhansi and many more. We are just blessed to have those personalities with us. Once, when Dr. Kalam was asked, what's the strength and weakness of the India? You know what he replied? He said, the youths. Yes, the 261 million youths are the strength of this India. And the weakness is the vision, which is still lacking in the youth of new generations. And the only thing the youth of new generations can do is to come up with all the ideas that are left behind by our freedom fighters. Our India has a very prestigious place in the world map. And to maintain this, we, the youth of today's generations, have to work very hard to maintain this dignity and take our country to newer heights. Today's celebration is just based for the freedom fighters who have lost their valuable lives for the betterment of this nation. I salute all those freedom fighters who have sacrificed their life for our motherland, India. And my sincere thanks and salute to all those soldiers who are still working at the borders without taking any tension of their life. So, on this day, let's remember this golden and rich heritage of our nation and give a salute to them, and let us also feel proud that we are a part of India. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful country. न रौब मेरी है न सरकार मेरा है, कि न सरकार मेरी है न रौब मेरा है न बड़ा नाम मेरा है। मुझे तो बस एक छोटी सी बात का गर्व है कि मैं हिंदुस्तान की हूँ और हिंदुस्तान मेरा है और हिंदुस्तान मेरा है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, and once again, Happy Republic Day to all my dear ones. Thank you.